Hello and good evening. This is Doc Severson for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA trade of the day for Tuesday, the 20th of April. With about 4 hours left in the trading day, we're seeing the exact opposite reaction to yesterday. So we have just about every coin in the top 20 up, with the exception of Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is actually distributing today off of the highs, but we're more interested in what's happening to the broader market. At this point, we're seeing Bitcoin put in what is apparently so far a higher low. So this is one of the levels that I talked about the other day. As long as we hold above 50,000, now I'm most concerned with somewhere around just north of 40,000, but stopping here at 52,000 is actually pretty good so far. Now, as long as this doesn't create a lower high and then roll over from here, if that does occur, probably we are heading back down to, as I pointed out the other day, 42 to 44. So we need to watch this carefully to make sure that this bounce sticks and continues higher and at least stays within this range from 52 to 64. That would be fine to do that for a little longer. As I talked about, the monthly chart is still a little bit in deficit of energy. But if this turns into a lower high and releases to the downside, cuts through 52,000, then we're heading straight for about 42 to 44. Here is Ethereum. It looks really good today from a retest of 2,000. Seems to have held as support from this ascending triangle pattern. That all looks pretty good. Across the board, we're seeing some pretty good results today. A lot of these are not that great in terms of chart pattern, but at least, like putting in an 8 to 9% rally is always a good thing. So a lot of these are just BTC derivatives and are retesting some recent breakout levels like Bitcoin Cash here is. And here is Monero. Monero is super strong right now. So heading just below 400 right now. Some of the other coins that I see in really good patterns, like this is VeChain. So VeChain is setting up with a nice high and tight flag. You're seeing the energy drive higher from here. This is a really nice setup. And I'd like to see this consolidate for just a couple more days. Look at the volume. The volume looks really good here. A break above 26 cents would be the entry for that. Dash is also looking pretty good. We have Atom coming off the bottom. This is not so great a pattern, but still a lot of things are doing really well today. Looking at some of the altcoins in our list versus BTC, even these are doing fairly well today. A lot of coins. Here's Chainlink versus BTC setting up a nice pattern at 70,000 sats. Here is CVC versus BTC. Again, these aren't as clean. Decentraland versus BTC looks actually really good right now. That's another one. And lastly, watch for Engine Coin to break above 5,000 sats for the next buy entry here. A lot of energy building up. Volume needs to appear for this breakout to occur. That's it for today's report. Thanks for listening, folks. See you tomorrow.